Are you struggling to find the right leads for your business? Finding potential buyers can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. Introducing Woodpecker's Lead Finder, the ultimate tool that lets you discover leads directly within the app. No more endless searching. You get access to the largest B2B database available. Filter leads by job title, industry, or location, tailored precisely to your needs. Enjoy 100 free credits every month for seamless lead acquisition. Unlike competitors, we enable you to enrich leads already in your database without additional charges. Get reliable emails validated through Bouncer to ensure delivery success. Don't miss out on potential business. Start using Woodpecker's Lead Finder today and transform your sales process. Sign up now and watch your leads grow.